Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you my easy go-to waffle and blueberry compote recipe. I'll start with making a blueberry compote first, and to make it you'll add 10 ounces of fresh blueberries, 1/4 of a cup of sugar, the juice and zest of 1 lemon, and 1/4 of a cup of water to a saucepan. You'll give your mixture a quick stir, and you're gonna bring this to a boil and then reduce and let this simmer for about 10 minutes. Once it's done, you'll just remove it from heat, and the compote will continue to thicken as it cools. Now you can just cover it to keep it warm or place it in a container for serving. All right, let's make the waffle batter. So I'll go ahead and sift 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and I'll go ahead and sift this in a mixing bowl together. After that, I'll add in 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of sugar, and I'll go ahead and give that a quick whisk before I move on to prepare my wet ingredients. For the wet ingredients, I use 2 eggs beaten, 2 cups of almond milk, 1/4 of a cup of coconut oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then I add all of my wet ingredients into the bowl with the dry, and I mix it with a whisk until everything is fully mixed. And I know I'm using almond milk in this recipe, but if you just like regular milk, this recipe works really well with regular milk as well. Once the batter is done, I simply add the waffle batter into my greased waffle maker and cook until golden brown. Now to my favorite part, I'm just gonna plate my beautiful golden waffles and top them with the oh so sweet blueberry compote, and everything is completely done. If you don't like blueberry compote, no worries. These waffles are really tasty with any topping actually, but comment down below and let me know your favorite waffle topping, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!